everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone front camera not working. There are several reasons why your iPhone's front facing camera is glitching, blurring, clicking or showing a black screen. I'll walk you through the troubleshooting steps and correct camera settings to fix your front camera. Did you open the camera app and switch from the back camera to the front just to see the black screen? In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force quiet the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of your display and swipe up over the camera app to force quiet it. This will fix any random glitches that your camera may be experiencing, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If your front camera is still not working, try restarting your iPhone next. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is clean your front camera lens. While your iPhone is restarting, make sure there are no fingerprints, dirt or debris on the front camera lens. And the next step is make sure your storage is not full. Lack of free storage can cause several issues, including causing your camera app to crash. So if you are unable to take photos or your screen is black, check your storage next. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. See if it is full, then delete some photos and videos from your phone and also delete some unused app, and you are done. And next I'm going to tell you some settings for camera app. Adjusting your camera settings can help your camera app work better. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to the camera option, then tap on camera option. Next, tap on mirror front camera toggle button to enable it. I recommend turning on our lens correction, macro controls and grid level view outside the frame. I also recommend keeping prioritize faster shooting off because it can lower the overall quality of your image. I also like to toggle all my preserved settings off so that I have a clean slate every time I open the camera app. However, all of these are just preferences and you might prefer to try something different, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone front camera not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.